Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile privacy password setting, how to use. Friends, you want to set Redmi mobile privacy password. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile privacy password. Without waste time guys, open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone password and security setting. You can set a lock screen password, fingerprint, face lock setting you can use. Friends, if you click here privacy password setting, tap here. You want to use privacy password, you want to own privacy password. So friends, right click here. You can turn on privacy password draw pattern and remember your privacy password pattern. Draw 4 dots pattern, because if you use 3 dot pattern, so friends you can see cannot at least 4 dots, 4 dot, try again. So friends, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Next option, click here. Friends, you have your Xiaomi account, you have your Mi account in your Redmi mobile. Add your Mi account, because friends, if you forget your privacy password, so you can reset your privacy password with your account. Friends, we'll click here note now option, because I don't have account. Privacy password will on friends, you can check. If you tap here friends, you can see privacy password is on. Draw pattern, privacy password unlock. You want to use privacy password with fingerprint lock setting, you can use. Friends, click here file setting, use option. If you click here any photo and any video, so friends you can check. Click here right side 3 dot, make private option setting. If you click here, so you can private your files, you can use privacy password setting. Click here, file will private, and you want to check your private files, so friends click here left side and you can check your Redmi mobile private files. So like that friends, you can own privacy password and you can use in your Redmi mobile. And you want to own your lock screen password, fingerprint lock password, face lock password, first you will have to set your lock screen password, then you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.